Well, Mildred, the fence builder's got a dilemma. Number one, it's getting dark on me, and I don't think I can finish this fence with the dark. Number two, I've got it stretched out here, and I don't have room to swing the cart around. So I'm going to have to let the pressure off, even though I have the first two done. I'm hoping I don't lose it. I don't know what's going to happen. We'll see. Here goes. Well, here we are the next morning. We're set up to pull again. I got to put one more post in, but we'll see how it goes. I only had to repair about 4 clips on that corner post. Since it's a temporary fence, if it were permanent, I'd had to put a wood post in there. But we'll soon have somewhere to put those little goats that I can isolate. They'll have something to eat. And in case there's any doubt who drove these posts, here I am driving the last post. Let's see how the stretch goes. Then I had the dilemma of what to do about a gate. So I went to Lowe's and found this little temporary garden gate, but then I had a dilemma. How do I fasten it to a T-post? Aha, I thought, I'll go to Ace Hardware. They'll help me figure it out. I'm at Ace Hardware in Claremore. I always say if you got a hardware problem you can't figure out, go to Ace Hardware, they'll help you. I'm gonna go and see if Barry's here so I can thank him for solving my gate problem. Hardware, and Barry, who helped me before, he helped me find a gate hardware that would work on my temporary gate for my baby goats. Thank you, Barry.
You're quite welcome.
I appreciate it. It worked like a charm, and I'll show you a picture of it.
All right.
Gate swings great on the T-post with that piece of hardware. Then my neighbor, PJ, blessed me with her old dog water. That took care of the water problem, but now I needed a temporary shelter. My brother, Ben, gave me the idea to use concrete blocks. Well, I hired a college student that never showed, so Grandma built the shelter. Then I went to the shop and found some scraps and fixed a slight sloping roof. And of course, I saw right away that my inquisitive Daphne was going to be on top of it, so I covered it with a pallet, and that worked just great. Today's pearl of wisdom is you never get too old to accomplish things with a little help. So be sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the next adventure on Grandma Ayer's Pearls of Wisdom. Thanks for watching.